About this item: 60km/h super fast and 4x4 with powerful motor which runs at a high speed of 90-95 m/s. You can reach maximum speed up to about 60 km per hour, 35 plus mph, featured with 4-wheel drive and supported by 4 independent suspensions. The RTR remote control truck can gain strong power and a marvelous protection from collisions and a great increase on minimum safe dropping altitude. Give you endless exciting entertainment from off-road and on-road environments. 2440 Waterproof Brushless Motor and 18A Brushless ESC equipped with a strong brushless electric motor. The speed and lifetime of this sandy truck will be greatly increased. The life of the brushless motor is 2 to 3 times that of the brushed motor, and the power consumption is only 1/3 of the brushed. With the Waterproof Brushless ESC, you have 8 acceleration, 8 timing options and multiple protection. DEERC 300E high-speed monster truck is ready to rip. Just don't black out from excitement. 2 high-capacity 1200 mAh batteries and 1 extra shell. The radio control cars are equipped with 2 *7.4 V 1200 mAh rechargeable LiPo batteries. The RC car for boys and adults will run for up to 20 minutes for each battery. 2 batteries for 40 minutes running. The extra red cover makes it easier to choose the color you like and adds another guarantee to your car. Expand your enjoyment and manufactured for high RC racing performance. 2.4 GHz accurate system pistol grip